friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how I put together coleslaw. Real easy. Be right back. Back, and I'm going to show you how I put together coleslaw real quick and easy. So I bought this bag already prepared slaw. Just got to add your ingredients to it, but I got it on sale, so I thought I'll just grab it and use it up. Okay. Alright, and then I've got crushed pineapple, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of sugar, and some mayo. And that's what we're going to put in our coleslaw. And I'm going to have that with some of our pork tonight that I'm making. So, I don't measure anything. I'm just going to put some in here. Probably about half of the can or so. There. A little bit more. Alright, so I got that. And then I'm going to start with about a tablespoon of sugar. Put that in there. Then I'm also going to do about a tablespoon of vinegar. Put that in there. Okay, and then, well, I couldn't do that again if I tried. I'm going to put some mix in here. About that much to start with. That was probably not quite 3/4 of a cup. And we're just going to mix this all up in here. And this is a good one. You can just put on some gloves and that's what I think I'm going to do. Put on some gloves and just mix it with my hands. It's quick and easy. But before I do that, I'm going to need a little more mayo. Okay. Alright, just start mixing it all around real good. This is wonderful stuff. Look at there. This is so easy to put together. It goes good with all kinds of stuff. We're doing roast pork loin tonight for dinner, so we're going to have this along with it. This is good to serve with ham, sandwiches, when you want a picnic night. Here we go. I've got that all mixed up. Now I'm just going to give it a little taste test. Okay. See here if we got it right. And we sure do. That's nearly perfect. Okay. That's all there is to it. That was really, really easy to put together. And I think I'm going to have a little bit of that. So, there you have it. It looks nice, and look at that beautiful sunshine coming in my window. But anyway, there you go. There you have it. Some beautiful coleslaw. Give it a try. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching.